Okay, the first thing we're going to do is graph our two equations. So I just adjusted my coordinate plane here. You guys can use a piece of graph paper, or you can draw a coordinate plane on a piece of paper. So I'm going to graph my equation here. There I have my y equals x minus 1. And then the next is going to be y equals negative x plus 3. So there's my two equations. Here I have this one here with the positive slope is going to be the y equals x minus 1. And as you can see, negative 1 is that 0, negative 1 is going to be the y-intercept of that. And the slope was 1, so up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. The other one, this y equals negative x plus 3, has a slope of negative 1. So again, the rise over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and then there's your y-intercept at 0, 3, and then there's our solution at 2, 1. So now we're going to take a look at this solution and plug it back into both equations and see if it does work out. So let's look at both of those equations. Oops. Let me fix this really quick. Go back here. Look at both of those equations. So our first equation was y equals x minus 1. We're going to take this and plug it in. So it's going to be 1 for the y and 2 for the x. Does 1 equal 2 minus 1? Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. So yep, that one works. Let's look at the next one. Y equals negative x plus 3. Does negative 2 plus 3. Does 1 equal negative 2 plus 3? That's 1. That's 1. So yep, it works out in both cases.